This is a supine single leg 90-90 wall strider. You're going to set yourself up on the wall like this. If you can do this drill barefoot, I highly recommend it because we're really going to be focused on our foot contacts. Set yourself up on a wall like this with your knees just over your hips. Make sure you can feel your PSIS in the ground. Nice soft abs. Do a couple relaxing exhales to get these nice and spongy. And then I want you to set your heels up a little bit higher than your knees. Notice how I'm almost at a little bit of a negative shin angle here. I can find my foot contacts really easily, but I've got a little bit more pressure on my heels right here. That's going to allow us to get a little bit of pronation work out of this drill when we're actually just training our hammies, but that's going to kind of connect these things together, get a little bit of co-contractions going. So you'll see what I mean in a second. So I'm going to find my foot contacts, outer heel, ball the pinky toes, ball the big toes, and then I can feel that inner heel pressure. Once I choose which leg I'm going to work, I'm going to pull the other one off, but I like to keep it hovering right above the hip so that I can keep my weight on my pelvis to make the hamstring work a little bit harder. If you want to go a little bit easier on this leg, just bring this leg up a little bit. You're going to make you feel a little bit more controlled in this right leg that's going to be working, but then you can work yourself a little bit closer to this to put pressure on that and really kind of increase that intensity for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to relax your abs completely. You're going to push your foot in and you're going to go ahead and start to peel paint, get the hammy on, make sure the glute's fairly relaxed. And then I'm going to put my arms at my sides to kind of support myself because with one leg, there's a chance I might wobble a little bit. Untuck my chin. And then I'm going to begin to pull myself up and stride up the wall, pushing through the inner two contacts of my foot, the ball of my big toe and the inner heel. And I'm going to exhale while I pull myself up and then inhale and return down. So exhale up, inhale down, abs stay nice and soft. Hamstrings leading the way. You're going to get a little bit of glute here, but we really want to feel like we're doing most of the work with the hamstring as it shortens to pull us up the wall. And if you notice how my knee is moving up, starting with that negative shin angle, going more towards the midfoot. And because I'm heavy in those inner contacts, it's allowing me to get some good pronation in that foot without too much pressure on the foot itself. So it's a great intro to pronation drill to really focus on center of gravity and hamstring awareness, but then getting a little bit of pronation with the drill. Nice and slow on the way down and on the way up. Exhale up, inhale down. That's how it's done. Isn't that so like?